Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone Air not turning on by following these quick and simple steps. So let's get started. First thing is, if you haven't done so, make sure you charge your phone at least 30 minutes to an hour as a first step with your regular charger. Now you may also consider charging wirelessly, as sometimes this charger may not be working, or maybe you need to replace the charger if it's broken or defective. Now, after you have charged it and you know it has charge, you're going to follow these steps. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button in that sequence. So I'm going to show you how it's at the time. I'm going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down the side button. The key here is to just keep on holding it down after you press and release volume up and volume down. And it takes sometimes 20-30 seconds, but eventually you should see Apple logo appear on the screen. At that time, you can let go of that side button. And if it doesn't work, let's say you were holding it down for 20-30 seconds, you're not seeing it, try it again. You want to do it as many times as you need to until you can get the phone to show the Apple logo. At that point, your phone should turn on and be fixed just like that. And all I did again was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I was holding down this side button just like this. So again, volume up, volume down, and you're going to hold down that side button. I'm going to even show you it again. Even if it's completely black, doesn't seem like it's going to turn on, broken, whatever it is, this is going to be the quickest and the easiest way to go ahead and fix a broken iPhone. As you can see here, I did it one more time just to show you this will not delete any of your data. So all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be on your phone. You do not have to worry about losing anything. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.